I want to show you the 3 links that's going to make or break your 30-day trial with GoHighLevel software. This is also a bonus video for those of you who actually watched the course this far and made it to the very end for the first module. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, this is one of our free course video series that help people start their own no-code AI agency from scratch completely for free in a Skool community. Make sure you check that out, link in the description. So the first link that's going to be very relevant to us right now is the free kickoff call the moment you sign up for HighLevel 30-day free trial. Again, guys, this is a completely free trial. They won't charge you anything for the next 30 days, and we actually teach you how to extend that to 45 days. Because I am an official GoHighLevel partner, they have agreed to help anyone who sign up using our affiliate link to offer a completely free kickoff call with their HighLevel team. So if you just click on this, you can see here it's very, very lucrative, and you can see the waiting time period, and click this button to your start off call. It will lead you to an actual Zoom call where you'll be put into a waiting room and be assigned GoHighLevel expert. Okay, so now the next call is actually a support call. This is for people who actually pass the 30-day free trial and become a paying client. They have this also. Once you click on this, you have to have an account to log in, and you just click in here and log into your existing GoHighLevel account and speak with one of their representatives. I find that they are very, very knowledgeable. So with all this tool in place alongside with our Skool community and our Skool classroom, you guys should be doing pretty well at this stage. Now, last of all, we have our no-code startup AI coach. So this is a custom GPT that I actually built from scratch using all of the knowledge base in the Skool classroom. So if you're one of those people who actually have an attention span of a goldfish and you're too lazy to watch all of the video in the Skool classroom, I actually have every video in the classroom transcribed word by word, page by page, module by module, and upload it to this chat GPT. So you can literally ask it anything. We also have some conversation starter right here, which is help me create my first AI offer for local businesses, be my AI agent coach and audit my business, run a role play with me, you act as a business owner, help me build my first AI agent step by step. I'm going to be clicking this one, help me build my AI agent step by step. Again, like, you really don't have to watch the video now that you have this, but I still recommend that you guys go through the video at 1.5x speed or 2x speed. But with this by your side, with the AI coach by your side, you guys should be able to complete any task, any roadblock when it comes to building your first AI assistant, getting results for your client, or even close your first deal with your high ticket client. Now, as you can see here, the AI coach have given us our answer. It pretty much extract the knowledge base from module 3, which is prompt, test, feedback, and live. Yeah, it's pretty much just lists us the step by step on how to build the AI agents. Again, if you're using this with the video we have in place, with the snapshot we have in place, with the template that we have in place, there is no way you guys gonna be getting stuck. Again, this is also a voice GPT that you can use to role play and get your first deal using our exact sales scripts and sales training. Again, you can see here, step 1, open EchoSetter inside your GoHighLevel, and you want to make sure you actually sign up and have all this account ready. Step 2, create your new assistant, prompting based, even like name it something like Carol, lead qualifier, Austin. Step 2.1, identity and role. This is pretty much give the AI agent a personality and identity, personality and tone, warm, professional, concise. Tasks, really give that AI agent an objective, and then a communication style and guideline, right? So just really keep the answer short, 3 sentences or less. Now we'll ask the user for more detail, behavior. So again, like everything that we cover, the AI agent know it inside out. We have spent weeks and months to train this AI agents up to speed before we actually make this video. So make sure you leverage it very well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment. Otherwise, I see you in the next one or in our Skool community. See you soon.